So we continue with sociology. We have conflict structuralism. For conflict, I told you already, it's for the Marxists. Both Marxists and feminists, they are the ones that talk about conflicts. So I'm going to start with the Marxists. For conflict socialism, it shows how the society is divided so that powerful groups can control the society at the cost of the relatively poor one or the powerless one. So according to Marxists, they believe the society might look stable in our eyes, but in reality, they are not stable because there's always going to be conflict of interest. The ruling class will always make sure that the working class will remain the working class. So there's conflict of interest as a result of that. That's according to Marxists. Then they argue that the society may be seen as stable, but they are based on the conflict of interest between groups. So what are these groups? The social groups. We have the working class, the middle class, the ruling class. They continue to fight each other for position because every individual group wants to climb up the social ladder. There's what we call the social ladder. The social ladder is how people are being ranked in the society. So for a working class child, so let's assume I'm a working class child. As soon as I obtain education, I could move up the social ladder to the middle class or to the upper class or to the ruling class. So that is what social class ladder is. So for you to go up there, it means someone is being dragged down. Do you get it? Yeah. So that's how the society is being structured, according to the Marxists. So social classes fighting each other. That's how they fight because they want to obtain or attain that ladder. They want to get the upper hand. That's about it. Yeah. But for the feminists, they see the society not functioning. They see that there is always going to be gender inequality between men and women. So they see the society as being patriarchal, like it's being controlled by the men. So that's why it's not going to function. So when you talk about conflicts, the model about conflict is they are structuralists, but they feel the society is not structured in a way that everybody becomes equal. For Marxists, they believe the society is structured in a way that the owners, the capitalists control it. And for the feminists, they believe the society is structured in a way that men controls. So that's why every now and then there's going to be conflicts. Is it clear? So that's about conflict structuralism. They are about the structure too, like the functionalists. But the difference between them and the functionalists is that the functionalists, they see consensus. They see that the society can work. We can work in harmony. But for conflict structuralism, like the feminists and the Marxists, they feel that the society needs to be there's need for revolution between men and women or between working class and the ruling class. Any question about it? Done.